The liver metabolizes drugs through a series of well-organized steps that transform medications into forms the body can use or eliminate. In this video, I'll walk you through how the liver metabolizes drugs, step by step, from the moment a tablet is swallowed to the moment its breakdown products leave the body. Let's begin. After an oral medication is swallowed, it dissolves in the stomach and is absorbed mainly from the small intestine. The absorbed drug enters the hepatic portal vein, which carries blood directly to the liver. This is why the liver is often the first major organ to process drugs taken by mouth. Inside the liver, specialized cells called hepatocytes remove drug molecules from the blood. The drug enters these cells, where it encounters enzymes responsible for drug metabolism. Think of hepatocytes as the body's chemical processing factories. The first stage of metabolism is called phase 1 metabolism. Its purpose is to modify the drug molecule by introducing or exposing functional groups, making it more chemically reactive. This stage is carried out mainly by the Cytochrome P450, or 450 cypriot pounds, enzyme system. Common phase 1 reactions include oxidation, the most common reaction, reduction, and hydrolysis. Examples of what happens during phase 1. Oxygen may be added to the drug. Hydrogen atoms may be removed or added. Chemical bonds may be broken. After phase 1, some drugs become inactive, some become more active, and others are converted into reactive intermediates that require further processing. After phase 1, or sometimes directly without phase 1, the drug enters phase 2 metabolism. During this stage, the liver attaches a naturally occurring molecule to the drug. This process is called conjugation. Common conjugation reactions include glucuronidation, sulfation, acetylation, methylation, glutathione conjugation, and amino acid conjugation. These reactions make the drug more water-soluble, less toxic in many cases, and easier for the kidneys or bile to eliminate. After metabolism, the drug, now called a metabolite, leaves the liver. Depending on its properties, it enters one of two main routes. Route 1. Into the bloodstream. It travels to the kidneys and is filtered into urine. Route 2. Into bile. It is secreted into the intestine and eliminated in feces. Some drugs are eliminated through both pathways. Let's see this with a real example. Paracetamol. You take a tablet of paracetamol. It is absorbed from the small intestine. It travels through the hepatic portal vein to the liver. Most of the drug undergoes glucuronidation and sulfation, producing harmless, water-soluble metabolites. A small amount is metabolized by the 450 cypriot pounds enzymes into a toxic intermediate called NAPQI. Normally, glutathione in the liver quickly detoxifies NAPQI. The harmless metabolites are then excreted by the kidneys and urine. However, in a paracetamol overdose, glutathione stores become depleted. NAPQI accumulates and can damage liver cells, leading to acute liver injury. Drug metabolism does not occur at the same rate in everyone. It can be influenced by age. Newborns and older adults often metabolize drugs more slowly. Genetics. Some people naturally have faster or slower 450 cypriot pounds enzymes. Liver disease. Conditions such as hepatitis or cirrhosis reduce metabolic capacity. Drug interactions. Some medications increase enzyme activity, called enzyme induction, while others decrease it, called enzyme inhibition. Alcohol. Chronic alcohol use can alter enzyme activity and affect drug metabolism. And nutrition. Poor nutrition can impair liver function and enzyme production. Let's review the key points. The liver is the primary organ of drug metabolism. Hepatocytes contain the enzymes that metabolize drugs. Phase 1 reactions modify drug molecules, mainly through the Cytochrome P450 enzyme system. Phase 2 reactions attach molecules to drugs, making them more water-soluble. The resulting metabolites are eliminated primarily through the kidneys or in bile. Efficient liver metabolism helps ensure medications are effective while minimizing the risk of drug accumulation and toxicity. Understanding how the liver metabolizes drugs helps explain why doses differ between people, why some drugs interact, and why liver health matters so much for safe medication use. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to Williams Health Tips, and share this video with someone who may benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and remember, be empowered to resist.